Hey everyone, welcome back to Generative AI, the channel where we break down the latest innovations in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and everything cutting edge in the world of tech. If you love staying ahead in AI, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because today we have something truly exciting to talk about. Google has just introduced Gemma 3, and it's nothing short of revolutionary. But before we dive into the details, let me tell you a quick story. A few years ago, AI models were powerful, but they had their limits. Even the most advanced ones would struggle with contextual understanding, and responses often felt robotic. I remember testing an early chatbot and asking it something as simple as, "Tell me a joke about AI." It gave me the most generic, outdated response. Fast forward to today, and things are radically different. With models like Gemini and the rise of ultra-efficient AI systems, we're now in a world where generative AI feels more human, more intuitive, and frankly, more useful than ever before. Enter Google's latest breakthrough, Gemma 3. So what is Gemma 3, and why is everyone talking about it? Google has been on a mission to create AI models that are not only smarter but also smaller, more efficient, and safer. Gemma 3 builds on this foundation, offering state-of-the-art capabilities while being designed for broader accessibility. Unlike some of its predecessors, which were either too resource-intensive or too restrictive, Gemma 3 is optimized for real-world applications. That means developers, researchers, and businesses can integrate it more easily into their workflows without needing massive computational power. One of the standout features of Gemma 3 is its efficiency. Google has emphasized that this model can deliver high-level performance with significantly reduced latency, making it ideal for both cloud-based applications and on-device AI. This is a game changer because one of the biggest challenges in AI adoption has been the sheer computing power required to run advanced models. With Gemma 3, AI can be deployed faster and more effectively, even on lower-end hardware. But it's not just about efficiency. When we talk about AI, accuracy and understanding are critical. One of the biggest complaints with large language models has been hallucination, where the AI generates misleading or incorrect information. Google has addressed this head-on with Gemma 3, integrating enhanced contextual understanding and reinforced learning mechanisms. The result? More reliable and fact-based responses that significantly reduce misinformation. Another key upgrade is multimodal integration. If you've been following AI trends, you know that the future isn't just about text-based AI. It's about models that can understand and generate across multiple formats, whether that's images, videos, or audio. Gemma 3 takes this a step further by seamlessly integrating multimodal capabilities, allowing users to input text, visuals, and even voice commands to interact in a much more natural and intuitive way. For developers, Google has also introduced new APIs and SDKs tailored for Gemma 3, making it easier than ever to build and deploy AI applications. Whether you're working on conversational agents, AI-powered search, or creative content generation, Gemma 3 is designed to fit seamlessly into your tech stack. Google is also providing extensive documentation and support, ensuring that even those new to AI development can get started without a steep learning curve. Let's talk real-world applications, because this is where things get really exciting. Imagine a world where customer service chatbots can actually understand human emotions and respond empathetically. Picture AI assistants that don't just provide generic answers, but can tailor responses based on your personal preferences and past interactions. With Gemma 3, these aren't just hypothetical scenarios, they're becoming a reality. Businesses in healthcare, finance, and education stand to benefit immensely from this model. In healthcare, for example, AI can assist doctors by summarizing patient history and recommending treatments based on the latest research, all while maintaining data security and compliance. In finance, AI-powered advisors can provide personalized investment strategies based on real-time market analysis. In education, adaptive learning systems can offer custom-tailored lessons to students, making learning more engaging and effective. One of the most groundbreaking aspects of Gemma 3 is its ethical AI framework. Google has put a strong emphasis on responsible AI development, ensuring that Gemma 3 adheres to strict safety guidelines and mitigates biases. In an era where AI is under scrutiny for ethical concerns, Google's approach ensures that this technology remains aligned with human values and societal well-being. So, how does this stack up against competitors? Many are already drawing comparisons between Gemma 3 and OpenAI's latest GPT models. While OpenAI has dominated the generative AI space, Google's entry with Gemma 3 shifts the landscape by offering an open-source approach with extensive customization capabilities. This means businesses and researchers can fine-tune the model for their specific needs without being locked into proprietary ecosystems. Another advantage is cost efficiency. With AI models becoming increasingly expensive to run, companies are looking for solutions that balance performance with affordability. Google's infrastructure and cloud capabilities give it a unique edge, allowing Gemma 3 to operate more efficiently, ultimately reducing costs for enterprises and developers alike. Looking ahead, what does the future hold for AI and Google's innovations? If Gemma 3 is any indication, we're heading towards a future where AI is not only more powerful, but also more democratized. The ability to run high-performing AI on smaller devices means we'll see AI integrated into more aspects of daily life, from smart assistants that actually understand context to AI-powered creative tools that redefine content generation. Google's latest AI model, Gemma 3, is making waves in the world of artificial intelligence, and for good reason. This model represents a massive leap forward in efficiency, capability, and accessibility. But what exactly makes it so groundbreaking? Let's explore some mind-blowing facts about Gemma 3 that you absolutely need to know. First off, Gemma 3 is designed with an ultra-efficient architecture that allows it to run on a wider range of devices, including lower-end hardware. This means that AI isn't just for big tech companies with massive computing power anymore. It's becoming more accessible for smaller businesses, independent developers, and even personal users. The implications of this are enormous, as it enables AI to be integrated into everyday applications without requiring extensive cloud computing resources. One of the most impressive aspects of Gemma 3 is its multimodal capabilities. Unlike traditional AI models that primarily process text, Gemma 3 is capable of understanding and generating across multiple formats, including text, images, audio, and even video. This makes it a game changer for creative industries, customer service, and education, where interactive and dynamic responses are essential. Imagine a digital assistant that can analyze a picture, respond with a voice explanation, and provide a written summary, all in real time. Speed and efficiency are at the heart of Gemma 3's design. Google has fine-tuned this model to significantly reduce response latency, which means faster interactions without sacrificing quality. This is particularly beneficial for real-time applications like AI-powered chatbots, live translations, and even gaming AI, where instant feedback is crucial. One of the biggest concerns with large language models has always been hallucination, when AI generates incorrect or misleading information. Google has taken major strides to combat this issue with Gemma 3 by implementing reinforced learning techniques that improve factual accuracy. The model cross-references its responses with a vast data set of verified information, reducing the likelihood of errors and increasing trustworthiness in AI-generated content. Another jaw-dropping feature of Gemma 3 is its ability to adapt to personalized learning. Instead of offering one-size-fits-all responses, this model can analyze user behavior, preferences, and past interactions to tailor responses more effectively. This personalization is expected to revolutionize fields like online education, where AI tutors can provide customized lesson plans based on an individual student's progress and learning style. Security and ethical AI development have been major focuses for Google with the release of Gemma 3. The model has been built with enhanced safety protocols to prevent misuse, including real-time content moderation and bias detection. This makes it one of the most responsible AI models in the industry, ensuring that it aligns with ethical guidelines while still delivering powerful performance. For developers, Gemma 3 introduces a more flexible API and improved SDKs, making it easier than ever to integrate AI into applications. Google has worked hard to streamline the process so that businesses and developers can harness its power without needing a deep background in machine learning. This opens the doors for more innovation across various industries, from healthcare to finance to entertainment. Speaking of healthcare, Gemma 3 is already being tested in medical applications where it assists doctors by summarizing patient history, recommending treatments based on the latest research, and even identifying potential medical conditions through pattern recognition. This could revolutionize diagnostics and medical consultations, ultimately leading to more accurate and faster patient care. The finance sector is also seeing major benefits from Gemma 3's capabilities. AI-powered financial advisors can now provide real-time investment insights, market predictions, and fraud detection with greater accuracy than ever before. By analyzing massive data sets at incredible speeds, Gemma 3 is helping financial institutions make more informed decisions while reducing risks. Another mind-blowing fact about Gemma 3 is its ability to understand emotions. While previous AI models struggled with nuanced human emotions, Gemma 3 leverages advanced sentiment analysis to gauge tone and emotional context in conversations. This could change the game for customer service AI, making digital interactions feel far more human and empathetic. In the creative space, Gemma 3 is redefining content generation. Writers, artists, and musicians are using it to create unique pieces of work that blend AI-driven creativity with human expression. Whether it's writing poetry, composing music, or designing digital art, this model is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in creative AI. Education is another sector that is undergoing a massive transformation thanks to Gemma 3. Imagine an AI tutor that can adjust its teaching methods based on a student's strengths and weaknesses, providing a truly personalized learning experience. Language learning applications powered by Gemma 3 can also provide more natural conversational practice, making learning new languages more immersive and effective. Businesses looking to optimize operations are also turning to Gemma 3. With its ability to automate complex workflows, generate reports, and even assist in coding, this AI model is proving to be an invaluable tool for increasing productivity. Teams can rely on AI-powered assistants that understand project goals, streamline communication, and generate high-quality documentation with minimal effort. Finally, one of the most mind-blowing aspects of Gemma 3 is that we're only scratching the surface of its potential. As AI continues to evolve, the possibilities are truly limitless. We're entering an era where AI will not just assist, but actively collaborate with humans, enhancing our abilities and transforming the way we work, learn, and create. Gemma 3 isn't just another AI model. It's a glimpse into the future of artificial intelligence. As more industries begin to adopt and integrate this technology, we can expect to see revolutionary changes that reshape our world in ways we've only dreamed of.